Understanding Arboreal Assembly, a dive into nature's vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, arboreal assembly. This phrase is not just a combination of words, but a window into a vivid and natural world. Stay tuned as we dissect its meaning, usage, and the imagery it evokes in English. What does arboreal mean? The word arboreal derives from Latin and pertains to trees. In English, it's used to describe anything related to or resembling trees. Imagine the towering, leafy beings of the forest. That's what arboreal is all about. Understanding assembly, on the other hand, assembly is a gathering or a group. It can refer to people coming together, but in different contexts. It can also mean a collection of objects, animals, or even ideas. A forest scene. When we combine these two words, arboreal assembly conjures up an image of a gathering of trees. Picture a forest where each tree stands like a member of a silent, green congress. This phrase is not just literal, it's poetic, painting a picture of nature's own community. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, arboreal assembly can be used to describe a situation or a place where trees or tree-like structures play a significant role. It's a term that can evoke a sense of unity and natural harmony. Literary and conversational contexts. Arboreal assembly is a phrase you might encounter in literature, particularly in descriptions of nature. In everyday conversation, it's less common but can be used to impressively describe a natural setting or in discussions about ecology and the environment. Examples in sentences. The hiking trail led us through an arboreal assembly, where each tree seemed to tell its own ancient story. Environmentalists emphasize the importance of preserving these arboreal assemblies for future generations. So, there you have it, arboreal assembly is a phrase that's as beautiful as it is descriptive, bridging language and nature. We hope this video has not only enhanced your vocabulary but also your appreciation for the natural world. Keep exploring English with us, and until next time, happy learning!